Nothing says young like shining sunlit blonde hair. Hi everyone, I'm Joico Global Brand Ambassador Larisa Love. Today I'm going to show you how to bring youth back to your client's hair using LumiShine YouthLock Natural Gold Series. Joico's first collagen-infused color line goes beyond gray coverage and helps revitalize strands and lock in the look and feel of younger looking hair. There are 7 permanent shades specifically formulated to deliver rich golden blonde and brunette tones to the most resistant gray hair. My client Juliana has 2 inches of level 5 gray regrowth and faded level 8 to 10 highlights from the mids to ends. Since I want to tackle both color issues in one service, as well as infuse the hair with lots of gorgeous creamy golden brunette and blonde tones, I'm using my cream soda blonding technique. This technique complements all ages, but works really well with LumiShine Natural Gold shades to deliver full, sun-kissed gray coverage that truly turns back the clock. Here are the formulas you need for this look. Formula 1 is LumiShine YouthLock NNG with 20 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 2 is Blonde Life Lightening Powder with 30 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 3 is Blonde Life Lightening Powder with 5 volume LumiShine developer. Formula 4 is LumiShine DD Demi Permanent Cream Color 9mg with 5 volume LumiShine developer. And Formula 5 is LumiShine DD Demi Permanent Cream Color 10NWB with 5 volume LumiShine developer. To start, prep the hair with Joico Defy Damage Pro Series 1. Shake the can vigorously, then apply it to the hair in 2-inch sections starting in the back. Spray in short bursts, then comb through for even distribution. Section the hair into 4 sections, then apply Formula 1 to the regrowth area in 1/8 inch sections to ensure proper and complete saturation. Section out a large mohawk section on top from the corners of the brows, then section from the crown to the ears. Lastly, section a large cat eye at the crown. This will create 3 sections in the back. Start with an angle that mimics the hairline at the nape. Take a weave parting and then apply Formula 2 and a foliage that feathers at the base. Be sure to keep the lightener away from the base color. Continue to foliage the back, working up the sections and angles, taking weave partings with Formula 2. Once you reach the blonde pieces, switch to Formula 3. I love LumiShine YouthLock because it gives you more than just complete great coverage and gorgeous shades. It's infused with collagen to help revitalize strands and lock in the look and feel of truly younger hair. We all love collagen to keep our skin youthful, but it also helps restore strength, hydration, and optimal health to aging fragile hair. Move to the mohawk section. Start at the front taking horizontal weave partings with Formula 3 applied in foliage method. Continue working towards the back until the end of the mohawk section. Now start working into the sides taking diagonal back weave partings. Foliage up the sides using the same method as before. With every service, LumiShine YouthLock locks in 100% gray coverage, restores youthful body and movement, and gives your hair a renewed bounce. It leaves hair noticeably smoother, softer, and more manageable while it replenishes healthy-looking radiance with up to 2 times the shine. Plus, it delivers lasting hydration to help prevent breakage. And because it's LumiShine, you know you'll get strengthened, restored hair that looks better than before thanks to bond-building Argiplex technology. Continue working throughout the head, alternating the 2 formulas. Process for 20 minutes. Shampoo with Defy Damage Protective Shampoo and treat with Defy Damage Pro Series 2 for 5 minutes. Rinse and dry the hair and you're ready to style. And that's it. Gray is covered, blonde is balanced, beaming and beautiful from roots to ends, and hair looks healthier than ever before. For more tutorials like the one you just watched and free education on demand, be sure to download the Joicolor System app and subscribe to Joico's YouTube channel, and be sure to find us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.